Hello traders. Free Forex expert advisor for you. You can get the Breakout Scalper EA which I have provided in the description link. In this video I will tell you a few things about EA Project Evolution Breakout. If you are a new viewer, I advise you to subscribe to this channel to get a new expert advisor every time I upload a video. It is free and there are no fees. Also make sure you click the bell button so you don't miss the next video update. How EA Project Evolution Breakout works. This expert advisor works using a scalping strategy on breakouts and uses innovative advanced technology called a neural network. Expert advisors are designed with algorithms that can find the best moments to enter the market. Expert advisors also use stop orders to avoid significant drawdowns. You don't need to make settings on the EA parameter. All you have to do is run this expert advisor. EA works fixed lots with one shoot action, or not using martingale, grid and other lot multiplier methods. The minimum capital used to run the Breakout Scalper expert advisor is also quite low. From real trading that has been carried out, EA can work using only $20 capital. But in my opinion it is quite dangerous. I suggest you use a capital of at least $100 or even more. Later I will show the results of the live trading in this video. Requirements for using EA. The recommended pairs are Euro to US dollar and US dollar to Japanese yen with the H1 time frame. The recommended broker is a broker with low spreads. In the description link I have also provided a broker registration link with low spreads. If you are interested you can register from the link that I have provided in the description of this video. For recommended leverage of 1 to 100 or more. For more details, you can read other information here. The parameters of this EA are as follows. From the attached image provided, we can see other detailed information. Please pay attention here. The benefits I get are good. With the total profit can reach 460%. You can also see the multi-currency backtest results here. Please pay attention to the details of profit trades, drawdowns, maximum consecutive wins, maximum consecutive losses, profit factors and other information you need. You can pause first at each image pause that I display. Results of live trading. Okay, then I will see real trading results using this MT4 Expert Advisor Project Evolution Breakout Scalper. This is the result of trading using a real account. From a capital of $20, the profit earned was $104.91 or around 520.68%. Algo trading, 100%. Maximum drawdown, 14.7%. Profit trades, 55.1%. Loss trades, 44.9%. And trading activity, 0%. I don't know why trading activity here is only 0%. Let's find out together. Continue to grow information. See here trading starting from June 2022 until now in November 2022. With a total profit of 520.68%. I think this is a great advantage. You can see the growth of the balance from this graph. And the chart is like this. The resulting drawdown is relatively low. Okay, next trading history information. Trading information on October 21st or about 2 days ago. You can see here the details of the win and loss transactions. Lot opened 0.10 in the last trade. On October 21st, there were 6 transactions with 4 profits and 2 losses. I remind you again. This EA recommends using a broker with low spreads. Statistical information. The total trading that has been running from June to date is 408 transactions, with 255 profitable transactions and 183 loss transactions. Best trade, $9.45. Worst trade, -$3.81. Average profit, $1.07. Average loss, -$0.75. Maximum consecutive wins, 9 transactions, $9.27. Maximum consecutive losses, 7 transactions, -$5.84. Profit factor 1.77. There are 3 pairs running here. US dollar to Japanese yen, euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar, with the main rating in the US dollar to Japanese yen pair. Maximum drawdown by balance is $15.79 or around 14.80%. I will also show you the results of slippage from several brokers. Please pay attention here. How to install EA Project Evolution Breakout. The Forex Expert Advisor that I share in this video does not use the mshmg32.dll file library, so you can easily run this EA. In the settings I will only try to change the pair suffix settings according to the broker pair suffix that I am using. For other information I will leave the default. Okay, you can see here I have successfully run this EA. Have you ever used EA Project Evolution Breakout before? Share your experiences in the comments column to discuss. If you request an EA review, can write in the comments column. I hope this can be useful for you. Can help you to get the benefits of Forex trading using this EA. There are many EAs that have been shared, you can choose the one that suits you. Growing money slowly with small drawdowns is better than growing money quickly with high drawdowns. Thank you for watching until the end.